2015 Ford Mustang GT Coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car. A little over 96,000 is all in this one. Of course, the 5-liter underneath the hood, and this one is Roushcharged with a Phase 2 kit. 6-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Competition orange black interior. What a great looking color combination. One of my favorites. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. There are some spots where there's a little touch up. I don't know if I can really get them to show up on the hood. Just over here, maybe you can see a couple down here. So there's a few spots. I mean, the car's been driven, but overall, don't get me wrong, this car's got a nice shine to it. Looks good, sounds good, and we'll get to that in a little bit. Start it up, let you hear it run. Not an inexpensive wheel on there either. Aftermarket, great looking wheel with the flat black. Big Brembo brakes. Let's look down this passenger side. Some of the things this car is equipped with: shaker audio, voice activated navigation, reverse park assist, enhanced security package. It also has tinted windows, so know your local and state laws. You'll see it in the still pics. Side glass is tinted, so again, know your state and local laws with the percentage of window tint that you can have. And you can see it's not full of major nicks, dings, or scratches, just maybe an imperfection here or there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the aftermarket rear wing, that flat black look to it. Complements the black interior and those wheels very nicely. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. If you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, whether that's online or right off our showroom floor if you make to see us in person. As you can see, driver's side has a nice shine to the paint also. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Of course, bucket seat, center console for that 6-speed manual transmission. Door panels look good. Of course, your monitored amenities, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, power seat. And as far as condition of the seat, you can see it's in nice shape. Nice comfortable buckets. Of course, steering wheel controls for audio. A lot of the different functions of this car can be controlled in the steering wheel. Let's fire it up so you can hear it run, and we will take a peek at those exact miles. All right. Let me close the door here a second. So, there's your exact miles, 96464. Of course, it's where you'd find your track app, the driver assist, your settings, fuel economy, that type of thing. Tack working, temp gauge, fuel gauge, speedo, of course. Oil pressure in the center. We mentioned that. Navigation system is voice activated. Heated and ventilated seats. Of course, for your steering settings, steering feel, mode, suspension, and traction control on off. Dash looks good. How about headliner? Looks good. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. A little rumble out of that 5-liter. Let me go ahead and pop this hood. Let's get that propped open real quick. Take a peek underneath the hood, and then stick around to the very end. We'll have Jason take it for a drive. All right, underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy. Hood liner looks good. There it is. Roushcharged 5-liter. Again, phase 2 kit. Sounds good, looks good. Be a fun one to drive. Jason's about ready to find that out, so if you want to take your virtual ride, stick around just a little longer. 2015 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Roushcharged, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. You can't beat competition orange. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2015 Ford Mustang. Now this has been Roush supercharged, so it's a lot more peppy. This is a 6-speed manual transmission, shifter right here on the center console. Let's see how she does on the highway. Strong running car. It really puts a smile on your face. Let's put her in 6th. Black and orange, a good look to go together. We got a touchscreen stereo on the dash.
KXLP.
And that's working good. Sounds great. Our gauges all appear to be working. The temperature a little under half. Fuel tank showing 3/4. We have a lot of modern amenities. The touch buttons on the steering wheel. Comfortable. Looks like leather. Bucket seats in this car. Mostly with these Mustangs, the tone of the exhaust is great. Put the window down a little bit so you can hear that a little better. Corner's great. Corner's nice and flat. Just a lovely exhaust sound. You can play with that all day, and it's super comfortable, fast, and handles great. Over here, oil pressure 60, and we do have a vacuum gauge over here. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.